Fix not implemented error when opening photos in Windows 11, caused by app issues, defaults, or system glitches. Let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Install and use Photos Legacy app. First, click on the Windows Start button. Now open the Photos app from the list. In the Photos app, click on the gear icon in the top corner to open Settings. Scroll down and click on Get Photos Legacy. Then click on Get to start the download. Wait for the Photos Legacy app to fully install. Once that's done, open File Explorer. Go to the Pictures folder and find any photo. Right-click on the photo. Click on Open With. Then choose Photos Legacy. That's it! Your photo should now open without any error. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.